CEO opening. Good morning, everyone. My name is Pachaya Pintong, and I am the CEO of Smart Study Hub. Today, I am excited to introduce our AI learning support service. Many students feel stressed and overwhelmed with their studies. Our mission is to help students study smarter using AI technology. Now, let my team explain more about.
Hello, my name is Thonphul Suthom, CTO Fail. Smart Study Hub using AI to help students learn more effectively. Our platform can create lesson summary and personalized study plan. Students can also track their progress and improve weak subjects. Our system is simple, smart, and easy to use. Let's go.
Hello, my name is Supakan. I am CAO Academic Support. We also provide online tutoring session with experience instruction. Students can ask questions and receive clear explanation. Our goal is to improve academic performance and reduce study state. Smart Study Hub support students anything and anywhere.
Hello, my name is Sakit Pholiang. For CO package and price, we offer is fatback package. The basic price is $10 per month. The premium price is $25 per month, and Isabel is an in-charge tutoring because for university we provide special filming is package or mean is portable and suitable for students.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ratapum Ruchit, CMO Promotion and Target Market. Our target customers are high school and university students. We offer a 7-day trial for new users. Students can also get a 30% discount with student ID. Our service is available across our website and mobile application.
Hello, my name is Punachai Konglod, COO how it work coaching. Using Smart Study Hub is very easy. First, register on our website. Second, choose your subject. Third, or AI create your personal study plan. In conclusion, Smart Study Hub is a smart and modern solution for better learning. Thank you for you.